Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a profile picture on Photoroom. So to make it look more professional, you can tap on the profile pic category, and then you choose which one you like. So for example, this one, and so you can just it's so simple. Just tap on the writing replace, and then you choose the photo. So this, for example, um this is just an example. So this one, just tap and then wait. It's scanning, removing background, and then tap done. And so you can adjust the picture by so you can just move it around. Just tap on the photo and move around with your finger, and you can also zoom in and zoom out by pinching with two fingers. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.